Are you in need of converting MBOX file into NSF? Introducing SysTools MBOX to NSF Converter. Export Thunderbird MBOX file into Lotus Notes. Key features of the software. MBOX to NSF Converter tool converts multiple MBOX files into NSF format in bulk. The software provides multiple preview modes: hex, HTML, RTF, header, etc. MBOX to NSF software has advanced settings, have date range and NSF split options. Auto fetches MBOX file from the default profile configuration of email clients. To download the software, go to Google and enter SysTools MBOX to NSF Converter. Click on the link shown on your system screen. Then click on the download button. Now install and run the software. The first window will appear of the software. MBOX to NSF Converter tool has user-friendly interface. Here you will see the option of Add File to add your data. Click on the Add File button. A small window will appear. In this window you will see two options: Default Profile Configured, and Select Files or Folder from the system. After selecting Default Profile Configured option, the application will automatically fetch data from its default location. After choosing Select Files Folder from File System option, users fetch MBOX files from any desired location. Select any one option and click on the Next button. If you want to add folder, then select the Folder checkbox, otherwise unselect this option. Click on three dots to browse your MBOX file. Select MBOX file and click on OK button. Now click on Process. You will see the All data in the left side of the software pane. Click on the required folder. You can see your all files in the right side of the software pane. If you select any email, you will see the email preview in the bottom. The tool provides various preview options to analyze your emails, like Normal Mail View, Hex View, Properties, Message Header, MIME View, Email Hop View, HTML, RTF, and Attachment. Default view option will be Normal Mail View. If you want to export selected emails, then select the emails and click on the Export Selected option. If you want to export all emails, then click on the Export option. One window will appear. Select any folder which you want to export. Here you will see multiple export options. We are converting into NSF format. Select the NSF radio button and click on Advanced Settings option. Now you will see the NSF split option. You can choose Split NSF button to divide the mailboxes into multiple NSF files of preferred size. Mail status filter have three options: Export read emails, Export unread emails, Export both emails. Select any option as per your required. To export specific date range data, you can select the date range filter. Select the date. Now select the month. Select the year. Repeat the same process to add the end date. You can add multiple date range filter. If you want to remove added date range, then you can remove by clicking on the Remove option. Now, click on the Save button to save the settings. Here you can see the default location to save converted files. If you want to change the default location, click on the Browse button. Select the destination path, and click on the OK button. You can select the Maintain Folder hierarchy to maintain the folder structure. At last, click on the Export button to start the conversion process. The tool will start the conversion process. You can stop the conversion by click on Stop Process button. Once the export process is completed successfully, click OK. Select the Report option and click on Show Report or Open Location option to see your conversion data. You will see here your NSF file and conversion process report. And that's it. Log on to the given product page for more detail and purchasing the product. For any queries, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.